Let's talk about 7 layers of OSI model. First of all, OSI model stands for Open Systems Interaction Model. OSI model consists of 7 layers, each handling a specific aspect of data transmission. Let's break them down with a real world example. A web server sending information to a user's browser. The very first layer is called application layer. It handles user-facing software like HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Presentation and session layers are also included in them because they handles user-facing softwares. Next layer is called transport layer. It manages end-to-end data flow using TCP for reliable data and UDP for real-time data. Network layer. It routes data using IP addresses handled by routers. Next layer is called data link layer. It ensures data is correctly transferred over a single line, often using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Last layer is called physical layer. It handles the actual signal transmission. Next, we will see how the OSI model works in practice.